Hello everybody and welcome in this new video. Today we're gonna try to make a solution for the project number 12 that can display the student informations by taking into consideration some conditions, right? So now we will try to take those informations from the hard disk by using files, right? And we will take the data that we stored by the first project and the CSV file, and then we will be showing them as we did the last time. So to do so, let's try to code and to make a proper solution, right? So the first thing we're gonna do is to take a part that can display the student informations. So if you didn't see how we did this code, I suggest you can see the video of the lesson 3 project 2 to understand how we did this part of code, right? And to know and to understand well its functioning. Okay, so let's try to take this part of code, and of course I will give you the link below of the video if you want to check it out, right? So let's try to make a new Python file. So this will be db reader. This is the part of code that can display the student informations, but we didn't have now the list of students that contain the informations. So this, we will try to make this list first. So list of students, it's empty for the first time, but we will try to fill it by the informations and student.csv. So the first thing, we will open a file. So with open students.csv, here we'll have read as file, right? And we will this time take the lines of the file. So lines equal file.readLine, right? And we will take the header, because as you know, in the CSV file there is the values, this is the informations, and this is the header that contain the keys or the attributes. So we have 5 attributes: name, gender, phone, age, and address. So let's try to make a header the first time. So header equal lines 0, because line number 0 dot, we will try to replace at the first time the new line by nothing, and then split by the semicolon, just to have a list that contain the attributes right here, right? And we replace it the new line by nothing. Okay, so this is for the header, and students will be lines, right? Second line to the end. Okay, so the informations are here. Okay, so students, so for student, in students we have students should be equal to student dot replace, right, as we did before, dot split, right? So we will have a list that contain just the values of the attributes, right? And of course the new line will be deleted, or okay, replaced by nothing means deleted. Okay, so we have student, so for key value in zip, so zip can help you to loop on more than one iterable. Okay, so we have 2 iterables here. We have key for the header, and we have student for the value. Okay, so these 2 iterables, we can loop on them both at the same time, or maybe more than 2 iterables, by using the instruction zip, right? So now we'll make a dictionary here. So dict equal in empty dictionary, and dictionary dot key equal value, right? So now after making the dictionary, we will be making a list of students append dictionary, right? So by this we can retrieve the data from the database, then we will make a dictionary and we will store the dictionary in the list of students, then we can perform the other instruction without any problem. So to see if this all exists, we will try to see what happened. Okay, so just to summarize, so this is a list of students, right? With this open student, we open the file and we read it, then we will read the lines of this file. We make a header by using just line number 0, we replace the new line and we split to make a list for students. The same thing, we make a dictionary, we take the dictionary, we give a for each k a value, and then we store the dictionary in the list of students, right? And this list of students will be used to perform all these instructions below, right? So now, as I said, I will try to run the project. Okay, so desired condition, so we will just take name, desired name, for example Yusuf, and okay, it retrieved Yusuf Al, right? So we can see here we have just one name that start with Yusuf, as you can see. So let's start it again. For example, so name, no, okay, let's try to choose a name, for example Jonathan or Raf. Okay, we'll take Raf and it will give you Jonathan Raf. Okay, so now this is the end of our video, guys. So I hope you understand well how we can retrieve and store the data by using files and how we can use CSV files, right? And so if you have any suggestions for the next videos, if you have any other questions, just put them below in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you enjoyed our videos, please give us a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.